Hi guys, and I hate this new way of like. Now you can't see.
Wait, hey guys, I'm back.
This. What do you mean you're back? You're doing like loads and loads of series.
I know.
But anyway, guys, this is our new Animal Craft series.
I'm just looking around at the moment. I ain't kind of been in it yet.
Yeah, you have. I mean, you built. You built your room and you had a little bit of exploring, and I built the whole thing. But the camera.
While you do that, I'm just going to listen to some tunes.
If you do, I will literally smother you with gravy.
I'm just going to turn it now.
I'm so sorry about this, guys. I am really, really sorry.
Hungry.
Oh, yeah, you are. Why are you on my way track?
I'm just looking around.
It's not my room. You're not going to my room. My room is in the kitchen. Go to the kitchen.
Hey Gecko.
My name is not Gecko. Use my proper name, Harvey.
Cake.
Yes. I'm leaving.
What's on your head?
I am a person. I believe in me.
What's your skin?
Gecko.
Um,
Yay, food. Cook it. Cook the food. But.
I'm proud of love.
He's our cupboard.
I'm just gonna have a nice little carrot. I'm just gonna take a carrot, make a Did you just fall off the thing?
I did not fall off my bed.
I'm just gonna take a bit of healthy food.
I'm cooking.
I'm gonna make a backpack. I'll take 4 apples.
By the way, guys, Grace will be in this. Ow. She's my sister.
But in the meantime, you're stuck with me. Ouch. I'm just gonna nice. Do I get minecart? Where are you?
I was doing a little bit of yay, my gold. Now, should we buy a dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's buy a dog.
Can we buy 2?
No, we won't have enough.
Oh. Okay.
Right, excuse me, but I'm going to the family room.
Yeah.
Ah, no, you pushed me back.
I'm going to my room for a bit. I'm so hungry again.
Wee. You just see me go past.
I was going to try and hit you.
Alright, back to my room. Alright, press B. Right, come on, we need to go to bed.
Oh,
Sleep, and in the morning we'll get a
Oh,
dog.
hey guys,
We got to name
look
it.
at my room. It is so messy. It's the life of a monkey.
I just fell out my room.
I'm next to my beautiful melons.
What's wrong with you? I have bones. So,
I have music.
I'm going to jump off. How are we going to get to the pet store? What is wrong with you, Harvey?
Listen to some tunes.
Alright, I'll meet you at the pet store.
Okay, let me just place my cake down. Where should I place it?
Please don't die. Yay! You didn't die. Alright.
Okay, where should I place my cake? Boosh. Yum.
Alright, let's do this. I'm ready.
Do we have to do parkour? Do we have to do parkour? Epic fail.
No, I just jumped off the cliff.
Do we have to do parkour?
I'm dead again.
Seriously, the parkour gods are angry at me today.
I'm usually good at parkour.
I'm usually a beast.
Wait, back in a second.
Guys, I think Grace is coming.
Grace is coming in. Alright, guys, my sister is coming in, and I'm a Harvey.
Hey, dude.
I'm a gecko. Whee!
Oh, dude, I just parkoured all the way down.
And I jumped all the way here.
I don't even know where. Oh, it's over there.
I'm a gecko. I'm good.
I'm
So,
serious.
wait, he's speaking. How much do you want of it? I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gold nuggets. Stacks of gold nuggets. Sorry. I'm 1 off. Damn you! Okay, fine. You can have that. Yay!
That was
No.
a
Fellow.
Seriously,
Where's the dogs?
where's the dogs?
What are you doing to me, man? My dog.
He just cheated you out. No, you. Hey, dude, I'm finally here. And I've only got 1 bread and 2 apples left. Pony.
He's mine, by the way. He's gonna. Yeah, correct.
Don't.
All right.
I'm going to get some. I'm going to pack another lunch.
What?
Hello. Yeah. Just gonna go have lunch.
So my sister here. Say hi, Grace.
Hi.
She's going to be in the goddamn Sorry. It's a dog of justice. We got a doggy. All right.
I've got no carrots.
Is that dog able to fly? Well, jump.
Oh, your
really
steak
high?
is done.
Well, I've jumped. Where's my dog? Is it? Will he come here?
Dude, I'll place your steak in your
Dog?
chest.
I might have to cheat a little bit. I'm gonna jump back down there and get a lead. Is that okay?
If you go back to your house, it teleports you.
No, he doesn't. I'm on a lead and he's not teleporting to me. He's just a weirdo. So, Grace, you're gonna be in the next episode, right?
Okay.
Whee!
We should do our world.
This is our world.
You're not living in my room.
No,
This
he's
is my
made his
room.
own room, like
Good.
like I've already told you.
Got my potato, got my packed lunch. There we go.
Don't
I'm-
die.
I'm going out on.
That didn't happen. We're getting. What should we name him?
Bobby.
No.
I already had that name. No, Spencer.
Yeah, Spencer. We already agreed on that, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. I'm going on an adventure to get wood. I don't know why. Do not ask me.
We're in a jungle.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of wood, but I need to go all the way down.
Okay.
I'm really good at parkour.
Sorry, guys. Camera's upside down. This is literally fail video. The camera.
I'm gonna eat some nice melon now.
Don't eat the melons.
These aren't the melons in my room.
Oh. Where'd you get melons from then?
Cupboard.
I'm Steve.
I always take packed lunches wherever I go. Like today, when I was going on a walk, I took a biscuit and went across the road, and the biscuit's still in the road.
Oh yeah, it is. It is. That's honest.
Yeah, I showed him.
I was there.
Yeah, and then we went back and saw it, and I'm kind of stuck down here. I'm just gonna jump here.
No, I have a way. I'll get you out. I'll teleport you.
I'm already here.
I'll teleport you, okay? Oh!
You're going down there. I'm the only one loser. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
I killed you with a minecart.
Okay, I need to.
I wish I could like do a fatality and put it on your head and like spin around. Where's my steak then? Where's my steak?
Oh yeah, I forgot to give it to you. I forgot to give it to you.
By the way, Grace's room is basically a walkway, so we don't usually. Spencer, you come with me. Whee! Spencer, you in the kitchen? Spencer, come on, we're gonna go down into Grace's room. It's open. Come in the family room. Spencer! Spencer!
So what's on
Good boy, Spencer!
So what's on TV?
Jesus, guys, look. He's like, I am Spencer. Can I just hit him, see if he goes out?
No.
Spencer?
Dog said, hey dude, how you doing?
Spencer!
You look so creepy. I'm watching you.
Why didn't...
Very hysterical. Very hysterical just through the wall. Boy. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
You are wrong.
What? That's literally me in math sometimes.
Can I have my steak?
Oh, it's in your chest. Yes!
I'm a jumping lizard!
What?
I'm a lizard, I can
How
jump!
are you flying?
I'm not, I'm a jumping lizard!
I'm dead.
Good.
My
My steak isn't in my chest, you
It's in
liar!
the big one. The big one.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
My cake is so red. I have no clue why. Is that blood? Oh wait, my nose is red.
I want to
I
milk.
am Rudolph.
I'm going to milk you.
No. No, my tunes. You don't take my tunes. Where am I?
I despawned you.
Give me the tunes. Give them to me. Give them to me. Give them. Pick up. Karma.
Get that!
I hate you sometimes, Karma. You took my mum away.
What the hell is wrong with you? Ah, you didn't sleep in your bed.
Because it was morning. No, just put.
I'll say,
Oh my god.
I'll say you spawn point. Don't. I'm gonna say spawn point.
I have no clue.
Oh, I just teleported to you.
Have we lost the base?
Yes. Meow. Officially lost the base. Why do you have to do this to me?
Wait,
God?
wait. I don't have a map.
I know where the base is. I know where the base is. Don't worry. I have my milk bucket. You're going to be safe. This is the village that me and Grace slept in. And then it got blew up.
That just sounds so loud in so many levels.
Oh.
Wait, that was my house.
I had to build that for her. And then that's my house. And Karma.
Yeah, but if you two were sleeping in the same room,
No.
in the same beds, that would be even more fun.
What the hell, Harvey? I'm going to literally
I see a
stab
bed.
you.
I see a bed in the middle of nowhere.
Where?
There. My nose. It's red, so it looks like a bed.
You do not make sense. I know
Can
I
you
thought that was me.
teleport me? Meow.
Karma.
Karma.
Right, to
I
sleep.
already took Karma on.
Alright, we're gonna sleep. I'm sleeping.
I don't even know where I... Oh, kitchen. Here's the kitchen.
That's Grace's room.
Let's just put all my money feet on it.
And there's Spencer.
Hey Spencer, high five.
Oh, you're gonna push him out?
Oh no! I didn't.
How did Spencer get there? I didn't even see him there.
It was magic.
Okay. I don't
Hungry!
know.
Breakfast!